The beginning of 2022 has seen absolute crazy uncertainty and chaos in financial markets. We have seen assets go up, down, sideways, and it seems like nobody knows what's going on. But now we are starting to get a clearer picture. All of the haze is starting to fade away. Bitcoin is up and stocks are down. There's a complete decoupling underway. If we go ahead and we start just by looking at the Bitcoin price, what we can see is that Bitcoin was down significantly to start the year. It then traded sideways and has come roaring back to the point where now Bitcoin is positive on 2022 year to date. If we then go ahead and take a look as to why this may be occurring, we've got a quote here from the founder of Nexo, where he says, as we test the top of the 2022 trading range for the 5th time, this is another one of these Bitcoin moments when the narrative could swiftly change and investors pile in, propelling the Bitcoin price higher. It might just be time to awaken from the Bitcoin sideways slumber that's been 2022. Now, of course, Bitcoin doesn't operate just in its own silo. It is a financial asset that trades alongside other financial assets. If we take a look at the equity market, what we see is that both the S&P and NASDAQ are down. The S&P and NASDAQ both going down, while Bitcoin going up year to date. This is part of that decoupling that is occurring. We are watching Bitcoin outperform the equity markets just like it did last year, and just like it's done for the last decade or so. Now we have this other quote here, which goes ahead and explains from the CEO of BitBull Capital. While market participants are starting to get bullish and the fear and greed index is at neutral, Bitcoin bulls will want to see the price consolidating above $46,000 for further continuation. The coming week is also important as it marks the end of the quarter, and we could see increased volatility after that. Now let's go take a look at the fear and greed index. What we see is that right now the fear and greed index is at 60, slightly into the greedy part of this index. If we look at where it's historically been, this is quite a shift. Just yesterday it was at 49. Last week and last month we were down in the 20s and 30 on that index. There was lots and lots of fear. If you're an investor and you saw the fear, you saw the blood in the streets, and you were buying an asset that continues to outperform over long periods of time, it's proven to be a pretty good decision. Bitcoin is up, stocks are down. That is a theme that seems to be playing out over and over and over again. If you haven't already learned about Bitcoin, now might be a good time to start paying attention.
Hey you, did you like this video? Great, we make 5 of them a day and post them here on this channel. Make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and see you next time.